Hello everyone, welcome back to day 4 of the 7 days 7 projects challenge. Today we're going to be creating a full screen video background, and this is the video that I'm going to be using. It's from pexels.com. You can search for videos and you can use any video that you want. I downloaded the quad HD version of it just so that I can have a high quality image while I'm capturing it. But in case you want to use it on a real project, then I recommend, just like images, you can compress them or you can get lower quality ones. Now you should know that video backgrounds don't work on mobile screens, and I think on tablets as well. So in case you're creating a video background, then always have a fallback for tablets and for mobile devices. So this is the video right here. I imported it into my workspace and I have an empty index.html and an empty style.css. So to get started, I'm just going to generate a boilerplate like that. I'm going to change this title to full screen video background like that, and I'm going to use an HTML5 video element to import the video like that and tag it like that. Now once I save this and open this with live server, you'll notice that nothing happens. We only get the video thumbnail, but we don't want that to happen. So what we can do is we can specify an attribute here called autoplay, which will automatically play the video once it loads like that. And then because once it reaches the end, it doesn't start playing again, and I don't want that. So what I'm going to do is specify another attribute called loop, so that it plays continuously. Even when it reaches the end, it just, it loops over. So I'm going to go into my style.css and I'm going to reset everything, and I'm going to say margin 0, and then I'm going to target my body and I'm going to say overflow hidden like that, because I don't want to get rid of these scroll bars and nothing happens because I did not link my style sheet. So let me do that, style.css like that. So once I save that, you notice that the video plays till the end and then loops over and starts once again. So we can begin to style it some more in our style.css, and I'm going to target the video element and I'm just going to say max width of 100% like that, so that it's placed to the middle and it looks much better rather than being zoomed in on one side. Okay, so the next thing that I want to do is I want to add some text in the middle to specify what it actually is. So I'm going to go below the video and I'm going to create a div with a class of text, add an h1, and I'm going to say full screen video background like that. Now what you'll notice is that the text doesn't appear here because technically it's below the image, and just to show you the video, just to show you, I'm going to comment this out so that we can have our scroll bars once again, and you can see the text is here. So I want to take it from here and place it to the middle, and we can do that easily. Let me comment that, and I'm going to target my class of text and I'm going to say position absolute like that. So what position absolute will do is that it will position it absolute. It won't take up any of the space of the browser. And once I save that, you'll notice that nothing happens because it's still technically at the bottom. So I'm going to say bring it to the top by 0, and you see it's this one right there. If I can select it like that, this is the text that we need. So I want to actually place it to the middle, and using a position absolute, we can say top by 50%, which will move it 50% from the top, and we can say bring it to the left by 50% like that. But you'll notice it's still too much to the right because the 50% begins right here, and that we don't want that. So to fix that, we can say transform, and we can say translate minus 50% on the x-axis and minus 50% on the y-axis. Once I save that, you can see now the text is completely centered both vertically and horizontally like that. And then the next thing you can do is that I can target the h1, and I'm going to say let the color be white and let the font size increase to 62 pixels like that. Oops. Oh yeah, it's fine. So actually I think that will be it really, because there is nothing else that we need to do. And like I said, in case you're working with mobile screens, then the video background doesn't work on mobile screens, so you need to have a fallback for that. And thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow with day 5 of the 7 days 7 projects challenge.